Hello, YouTube. This is a response to Bill Macon. Anyway, he made a video about helping the people in New Zealand, in Christchurch, New Zealand. And I would like to give you one resource for donating money and also material supplies. And the United Methodist Church has a disaster relief program. And when you donate money to this, the recipients get 100% of the money that you donate. And so I'll put the link down in my pajama pants. But let's see. You can pay by mail or by phone. And they have not updated their site yet to include the recent disaster in New Zealand, but I think if you call your local United Methodist Church, that they will take donations for the Christchurch, New Zealand earthquake disaster. So that is one resource where you can be sure that none of your money will be going to bureaucrats, etc., etc. Maybe I'll be back later today, maybe not, I'm not sure. Okay, thank you everybody, and let's see what we can do to help them. Bye.